Hi there. Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're looking to create a terms and conditions page for your Shopify store using the DOM theme, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of adding and customizing your terms and conditions page to ensure that your store is legally compliant and professional. First, let's start by accessing your Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify account and from the admin dashboard, click on Online Store, then go to Pages. This is where you can manage all the pages of your store. Now click on Add Page to create a new page. You'll be taken to a new screen where you can enter the title of your page. For this page, we'll title it Terms and Conditions. You can also write a brief introduction if needed, explaining to your customers the importance of your terms. Next, you can start adding your terms and conditions content. Shopify offers two options for this. You can either prepare your own terms and conditions and paste them here, or you can use Shopify's built-in AI tool. The AI will generate a terms and conditions page based on the information available on your website, making it a quick and easy process. Once generated, you can review and adjust the content to ensure it meets your business needs. Once you've added the content, make sure to save the page by clicking the Save button at the top. You can preview the page by clicking on the View button. Check to make sure that everything looks good and is formatted correctly. Now, let's add the Terms and Conditions page linked to your store's footer for easy access. To do this, go back to Online Store, Navigation, and then click on Footer. Here, you can add a new link. Select your newly created Terms and Conditions page and save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully created and added your Terms and Conditions page to your Shopify store. Remember, this page is essential for protecting your business and informing customers about your store policies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your Shopify store.